What's going on, everybody? This is Player Guy 1 here, back again, finally, with a double unboxing review of TrackMaster's Arry and Bert from late 2013 and early 2014. Now, why did I say early 2014 and late 2013? It's because of the flat type drive units. Late 2013 to early 2014. That's when TrackMaster 2 came around. So I got these two knuckleheads. Oh, well, not knuckleheads. But I got these two Sodor Ironworks diesels now. This kind of gives me nostalgia. It's because of the boxes. I wish I can go back to when these came around. But anyways, let's go ahead and unbox these two, and this will be in fast motion. Okay, so Arry and Bert. No cars. This is just one engine per box. And these are the instructions of how you put the battery in. And that engine shows Bill or Ben, and that engine right there, the on and off switch, shows James. You can pause the video if you want to, if you can read this, because I'm not gonna. Pause the video if you want to read this. Now's the perfect time. I'll get rid of it now. I'm not gonna show the other one, because it's, well, the same thing. I'll just clear my table as best I can. So here's Arry and this Bert, or am I wrong? Arry and Bert. Sure, it looks like it got the wrong faces. It really does look like the faces have swapped. Sure, I'll take a look at the wiki so that I don't get confused. Because they have no nameplates. All they have is the Ironworks sign or logo or something like that. And they're basically identical for color. So they're not Bill and Ben, which you can tell by the nameplates. Arry and Bert are exactly identical because I can't even tell their names. I can tell who is Arry, who is Bert. Well, some people can actually understand these two because of their faces. So I'm going to take a look at one of these. I'm not going to take a look at the other one because it's, well, the same thing. Very nice paint. I like it. This one says Arry. I'm not sure if this is Bert's face or Arry's face. And this here says Bert. I'm not sure if this is Arry's face. I'm gonna take a look at the reviews from earlier, the UC Weapon video, just to make my brain correct. Hopefully I don't get confused. But let's give a battery to these two. And to show if they work or not. Oh my god. Alright, this one's impossible to do. But I got it out. That's interesting. Weird. Black this time. Again. I know the ones from the time it sets the... Oh. Well, disappointment. Look at this. The screw came out from here. I'm not sure. I'm gonna say it was my fault. But whatever. Ooh, quite fast. Oi, it's fast. Very interested to see how he runs around the railway. I'm not sure if I'm able to get this back together because of the screw came out. That was unfair. Unfair from the screw. I'm sure I'm able to fit this in. I'm sorry for the close-ups. And I did. This is quite fast. For a BR-08 locomotive, whoever it is. It's quite fast. And perhaps I can swap the drive unit with the other ones that are typically slow, like the Connor or Caitlin ones. I could swap them with these two, or one over there is Bert, so that I can make these slower and the Connor or Caitlin ones faster. So, battery number 2. Another quite fast one. Another fast one. Very impressive. Another fast one. I see that these two are quite fast. That's very interesting. Considering their basis runs at like 15 to 20 miles per hour IRL. Oh, that's interesting, but these run fast. Doesn't sound too good on this one. Sounds like this is slowing down, but these two run great, except for this one. I'm not sure. Maybe you're gonna fix the gears and make them correct again. Whatever. Hopefully after this video, maybe not. Anyways, let's give these two their runs. Here at the railway, we got Arry and Bert. Here are their runs. Here we go. Alright, here's Harry's hill climb. Alright, that was a very nice hill climb, like all the early 2014 ones. And that's very nice. Also, an example from late 2013 and early 2014. Porter is the example. Let's move on to Bert. Now it's Bert's turn with the hill climb. Well, you struggled there, but that's a very nice hill climb, though. It's very nice. From the Ironworks twins. Very nice. So, YouTubers, there it is. The boxing review of Arry and Bert from late 2013 and early 2014. Now, as you know, they appeared in a season 5 episode called Stephanie Gets Lost. And that's the part when Stephanie, I believe it went to the Ironworks or the scrapyard. And then Arry and Bert came out, and Arry said, "Bye-bye, Stephanie." And then Stephanie was saved by Sir Topham Hatt at the end of the episode. Well, at least Stephanie was okay. At least she didn't get scrapped in the series. They appeared in a season 6 episode called Middle Inches, in which these two diesels made fun of Percy and James to make fun of them and calling them Little Green Piggy in the Middle, or Little Red Piggy in the Middle. And that's when Percy and James were mad at them. Little Red Piggy in the Middle. just like Percy. I'm not like Percy. So yeah, that was the direct quote from that episode. And it did appear in a couple of new series episodes. I remember Percy's new whistle. It should have been called Percy's powerful whistle or whatever they called it. They should have called it that season 8 episode. That's when Arry and Bert were making fun of Percy's whistle, and then Percy got them back with this long sounding whistle, which it caught Arry and Bert by surprise. And then he did the same thing with Bertie and I think Thomas, but instead Sir Topham Hatt was mad at Percy for doing that and making fun of the others and saying, "Stop doing that, you should whistle for emergencies," or something like that. And then a moment later, Percy saw, like, I think it was a snowdrift, and then Percy rescued Thomas just in time. I mean, I consider that to be a pretty good episode. I mean, those are one of those Season 8 episodes that literally led me into Thomas the Tank Engine. Literally. Season 8 episodes led me into Thomas the Tank Engine. I'm not going to talk too much about it. They did later appear in the new series era, and then the CGI series, which they did a couple of episodes as background characters and minor characters. But after that, they didn't do much. Really. These two didn't even do that much. I don't know if because they are major characters for the show. I'm not sure if they can ever speak or appear again in the future when Big World Big Adventures comes around. And I think Big and Discoveries is a new thing for 2019. So I'm not sure if these two will appear again. Hopefully they will. And it will be cool if these two engines Arry and Bert appear in the Big World Big Adventures era or the modern Thomas the Tank era. That would be nice, but I'm sick of the bouncing part. Well, I'm not gonna do it because it annoys you. So yeah, I think that's all I have to say for this video. This is Player Guy 01 here saying thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.